Alright, so I'm just gonna turn on my car while we wait. Nope. Alright. Wrong playlist, don't want to play that. I mean, I guess I could play that. But hippity hoppity related tracks. Yeah, let's pick that one. Let's do shuffle. Sorry if I shift my hat. Just kind of have to. Oh yeah, because somehow it cuts off. Yeah, I'm just gonna, you know, I like a bit of bass. Also, there is my little passenger doodad. I got a lot of trash, don't mind us. Trash can man. One, two. Off we go. Let's see how long until it reconnects. I have a backup camera. So this is my 2017 Volkswagen Passat S, and the base, and whatchamacallit, it's a Tiptronic or an automatic, however you like to call it. I got way more receipts and stuff. Who cares about that? If you hear any creaking, clanking, clunking sounds, that's because of my suspension. I'm trying to retune it and whatnot, but for now it is what it is. It's some Solar Work S1s with the ECS tuning heavy mount cup kits, I believe. And I have front and rear sway bar and links from also ECS tuning, as well as another ECS tuning rear sway bar. I believe it's 23 millimeters. Yeah, 23 millimeters. That's a slightly chunkier bar. And then I have again another more ECS stuff. I have the ECS, what is it? Cold air intake, but it's the open box. If you hear that little rattling sound, that's the open part. I forgot to tighten in the bolts, so I'll do that in a bit. And I have the Neuspeed power module for the 1.8 turbo or 1.8 liter turbo, the Gen 3 something 8888. Other than that, I have, like, I guess, oh, I also have wheel spacers that are 3 millimeters on all 4 wheels. And then I have just rain guards for my mirrors or windows, and I say a lot of ands. And lastly, I believe is OEM fit rear passenger windows and rear window, like peasant blockers or covers, just to like block out some more shade, but it's like there's a lot of holes in them. Yeah, that's it. That's all my car is right now. I would like to put on a, is it MagnaFlow exhaust, just to give more of a little bit more sound, just a wee bit more, not too much. Other than that, it's going to be like this for a very long time until I get, I guess, a new car, or I just have a sudden urge to put more stuff onto this car. Yeah, so right now I'm going to my friend or friends. They wanted to go for a drive and longboard, I believe. We haven't, I don't think it's longboard, it's cruiser boards. I don't know, we all have a loaded omakase board, and I have like a Madrid board, that's an actual longboard. And we just want to go skate around our town because we haven't done that for a really long time and we're getting really chubby. So that is what we're doing. So I'm trying to find where they are right now because they keep telling me different locations every 10 minutes. Yeah. So I have no clue what to talk about now, but I am driving. I will not surpass 5 miles above the speed limit, or I'll try not to at least. I have a heavy foot. 69. Yeah, my windshield wiper fluid is almost gone. I should buy some more tomorrow. Yeah, that's about it. That's the day in the life for me. Yeah, not that exciting, huh? Minus that pink rabbit you just saw maybe a few minutes ago. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, or if you go to my Instagram at whatever is going to pop on the screen or at the description, you can comment anything you like. For the most part, please keep it PG-13 at the max. Yeah, there's not much to talk about. I don't really have anything much else to say, so you will just see me drive and I'll try to figure out where my friends are, because yeah, some buses over there slowing down for the turn. Whee. Either looks like they cleaned the road, or some people doing burnouts or drifts, as the hip kids say. Please, either if you're gonna try to do burnouts or drifts or anything that may be illegal on the streets, please take it to a track. We like to keep everyone safe. I like to be safe. Your parents, guardians, whoever will want you to be safe. No one wants you to get injured. And if they do want you to get injured, well, you should just leave them. I may have to call them. Like a Prius one day. 90% sure they got food without me again. It's whatever. Ooh, look at that. You can see almost exactly what I'm doing. Yeah. Taking corners legally, no drifts. My head kind of hurts from this hat. Everything being used to record what I'm doing right now will be in the description below. Or I could just say it right now. I'm just using a Sam top like hat clip, and then I have a normal like baseball cap or a trucker's cap. You could use either one as long as it like It is snug with your... Wow, all the lights are off, minus those trees. Yeah, any type of hat that has that like little duck bill thing, and it's like firm on your head. Some patriotic trees. And other than that, I'm using like I am using a GoPro Session 5, but you could use any GoPro, to be honest. I'm using like the linear angle with 1080 at 30 frames per second. Alright, I have arrived to my friends, and I will be shutting... Ooh, look at the Volvo. I will be shutting that off. Catch you later.